Stream is Microsoft's video hosting platform that gives you the ability to upload already recorded videos or take screen recordings to share with individuals inside your organization. This is the home screen for Stream, and you'll notice that you have this top menu bar where you can either scroll back to your home, Discover, where you can discover videos, channels, people, or groups from within your organizations that have been made public. You also have Your Content, where you can find your videos, your groups, channels, meetings, your watch list, follow channels, and your recycle bin, as well as this Create menu, where you can upload a video, you can create a group, create a channel, or a screen recording or video, as well as search for different videos. The first thing I want to go over is ways to organize your stream. You have the ability to create different groups and channels. For instance, you might want to create a group for departments and then organize into channels, or create a group for a certain system or program to house training videos to share with everyone in your organization that utilizes that tool. To create a group, just go back up to your Create menu and scroll down to Group. Give your group a title, so I'm going to title this one Office 365, and then a description, so this will be training videos. And you can set your default settings to either private or you can edit them. So I'm going to make this public so anyone that's within my organization that utilizes Office 365 can access this group. And then just click Create. From there, it'll offer you to add members, or you can share out a link at a later time. You'll now notice that you're in the Office 365 group, where you can see highlights, videos that have been added to that group, channels, and also memberships. You'll have a button here where you can upload videos. Right now we're going to create a channel. So there's two different ways that you can create a channel. You can either go here and to create new channel under the menu, or go back up to that Create menu and select Channel. So we're going to create a channel for Teams. And this is going to be Teams Training. It's going to be a group channel in the Office 365 group, and just click Create. You also have the ability to add an image if you would like to. So now that we have our channel created, you'll see that you have a button where you can choose to follow the channel. For instance, if I wanted to follow a channel on OneNote or Teams or Excel, because those are the ones that I'm struggling with, and I want to make sure that I see the different training videos, I can go ahead and follow those. In these three dots, you can edit or delete or even share the channel if you want to share it to specific users. Now that we've created a group and a channel, I'm going to show you how to upload a video. Scroll back up to the Create menu and select Upload Video. From there, you'll have an option to either browse to upload, or you can drag and drop your file. So I am just going to choose a file to upload. So this one is on Teams meeting notes. So I'm going to edit the title, give it a description. Make sure that the video language is on English. This time I'm going to let it auto-generate a thumbnail, but you also have the ability with this plus button right here to add your own thumbnail. From there, you'll be able to edit the permissions. So I want this to only go to the channel, and I'm going to search for Teams and select it. I can search for multiple channels if I wanted to add it to more than one. And under Options, I can either turn the comments on and off or noise suppression, and I'm going to have it auto-generate captions. Once that's all set, I can choose to publish my first video. Once the video is published, I can go to My Videos, to view the video and edit anything that I would like to, whether that's permissions or description or sharing it out. The next thing that you're able to create and stream is a screen recording, very similar to what I'm doing now. Go back to your Create menu and scroll down to Record Screen or Video. From there, this box will pop up and you have the option to either select a camera or not, or to mute your microphone and which microphone you would like to choose from. I can either select screen only or screen and camera or camera only. I'm going to say screen only for this, and then just press to start the recording. Choose the screen or window that you would like, or even tab if you want to get that detailed. It'll then count down to start your recording, and you can record up to 15 minutes of time in this element. Just press next when you're all done, and it'll give you the option to either record again if you didn't like what you recorded, to trim your video if there is at the beginning or the end that you want to make sure to keep it clean. Once you have the video recorded and trimmed the way you would like, you can upload it to stream by selecting this upload button. Give it a name, a description, make sure that your language is set to English, and you can choose that either allow everyone in your company to view this video, or you can take that away and edit the permissions. And once you have it all set, you can select Publish. Once it's processed, you can go to the video. Once the video is uploaded, you'll see that you have the options on the bottom here to share your video, add to a watch list, like, or you can link it to groups of channels, add to a specific group or channel if you haven't already, upload the video details, trim the video, replace the video, delete, or even download. I want to highlight this area on the right-hand screen. This is with any screen recording or uploaded video. You have a transcript where you can even search your transcript once it's uploaded. And then you have this interactivity section that I love. This gives you the ability to add a form. So you can either add a survey, quiz, or poll using Microsoft Forms. So to add the form, just select this Add Form button. Place the URL from your form. So I've already created an example form in Microsoft Forms, so I'm going to copy this URL and paste it here. And we're going to say survey. You can choose at which point in the timeline, so I'm going to choose the very end because mine is a survey, but if I wanted to do a quiz throughout a longer training video, I would be able to have intermittent quizzes to help people learn better, and then just select Add to Timeline. You can add multiple forms throughout a video as well. The last item I want to mention about Stream is that although it does give you the option to share in both with a link, an email, or even embed it, which I find very helpful within Teams, any viewer needs to be part of your organization to view the video.